Coming in with the legs nice and wide, the bolster will come about mid-thigh. And we'll just drape the body over the bolster. Go ahead and let the head rest to the right or the left. Just take a moment to breathe here. Breathing into the back of the body. Deep breath in. And breath out. Just noticing what you feel. Maybe there's a lingering sense of tired or just general malaise. It's okay, just noticing and feeling. And take 3 more breaths just like that. And as you round out that final breath, on the next inhale, we're going to just shift forward, coming into a tabletop. We're going to place the bolster at the top of our mat. And we'll bring the knees underneath us and the hips We'll bring the knees underneath the hips and the hands underneath the shoulders. And we'll take a few rounds of cat-cow. Inhaling, lifting the heart, lifting the tail, and then as you exhale, round the back, navel to spine, just like that. And then once you feel even, finding a neutral position, and we'll go ahead and bring the right foot in between the hands. And you may need to adjust yourself a little bit to do this. And then tuck your back toes and lift your back kneecap up. And we're coming in for a pyramid variation. Now you have your bolster in front of you, so go ahead and use that bolster almost like a block. And pull the right hip back as you press into the bolster. And you'll feel a little bit of rounding in your back. That's okay. I want you to breathe into your back body. Take a deep breath in and a breath out. Now, on your next breath in, bend your right knee. Inhale, look forward for cow. Exhale, round the back cat. Inhale, bend the knee, look forward for cow. Exhale, straighten the leg, round the back for cat. Inhale, bend the knee, look forward for cow. Exhale, straighten the leg, round the back for cat. One more time. Inhale, bend the knee, look forward for cow. Exhale, straighten the leg, round the back for cat, and hold here, breathing into the back body. Bending into the right knee, lower the left knee to the ground, step the right foot to meet the left. Child's pose. Take a breath into the back. Complete breath out. Inhale, shift forward. Coming back into that tabletop position. We'll go ahead and step the left foot forward. And again, bringing the hands to the bolster, we'll tuck the toes and straighten the back leg. So we're straightening the front and the back leg. You'll notice the sensation is intense. Just breathe here for a moment. Notice what you feel. And take a breath in and breath out. Inhale, bend the knee, look forward for cow. Exhale, straighten the leg, round the back for cat. Inhale, bend the knee, look forward for cow. Exhale, straighten the leg, around the back for cat. Inhale, bend the knee, look forward for cow. Exhale, straighten the leg, round the back. Inhale, bend the knee, look forward for cow. Exhale, straighten the leg. Bend the knee, look forward for cow. Lowering the right knee to the earth, stepping the left foot to meet the right for child's pose. Releasing the hands, bringing the hands to the knees, and tuck the toes, rolling over the back of the feet, forward fold, back of the mat. Bend the knees. Grab opposite elbows. Just let the head hang. Release the hands, inhaling all the way up. And hands through heart center. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, fold forward. Walking the hands out for downward facing dog. Now you can always widen the feet about mat's distance apart. Bend the knees as much as you'd like. Maybe even bring your hands to the bolster. Just really allow for the legs to be as bent as you want. And taking a moment here, maybe bending and straightening. And then finding stillness. Lowering the knees to the earth. Pressing back for child's pose. And bringing the hands forward, shifting the weight into the hands for tabletop. We'll bring the right foot forward and we'll come up for a low lunge, bringing the hands on top of the thighs. Interlace the fingers on top of the right thigh and press into the right thigh as you press into the top of the left foot. And take a breath in here and a breath out. Keeping the right hand on the thigh for stability, reach the left arm up and over. And come back through center, release, and straighten the leg. Maybe flexing the toes back towards the shin. Bringing the right knee back underneath you. Bringing the hands to the earth. We'll take the left foot forward. Bringing both hands to the top of the left leg. And just taking a moment here, just noticing what you feel. Left hand grounds the left leg, reach the right arm up and over. And release, coming back through center. Maybe hands come to the bolster, straightening the left leg. And bending the left knee. And coming back for child's pose. And shifting weight forward. And coming in for Malasana. Stepping the left foot to the outside of the left hand and the right foot to the outside of the right hand, and then taking the bolster and just sliding the bolster so that it's underneath the sit bones. And this way we take a little bit of the pressure off of the knees. Just take a moment here. As you're ready, we're going to press into the feet to come to forward fold, paralleling the feet. Peace fingers to the big toes. Inhale, half left. Exhale, fold. Inhaling all the way up. And hands through heart center. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, bend the knees. Malasana to a seat. Bringing the soles of the feet together. In Supta Baddha Konasana, we're going to lay back. Bringing the soles of the feet together in Baddha Konasana, we're going to lay back over the bolster for a supported fish. If this is not comfortable for the pelvis, you can bring the feet as wide as the mat and knock the knees in towards the midline. We're going to be here for about 3 minutes. When you're ready, bringing movement back to the hands and the feet. We'll come to a seat. Meeting in a comfortable seat, just taking a moment to evaluate your energy. Notice how you feel. Do you feel a little bit more energetic? More connected? More awake and aware? Just noticing the quality of the breath, the body, and the mind. Bringing the hands together at the center of the heart, acknowledging yourself for practice today. Be well. Namaste.